Hey, today I'm going to discuss about string manipulations in C Sharp. So, in string format, we have a different of manipulations are there. Right now, I'm going to discuss about string concatenation. In the string concatenation, we have two types, like using that concatenation operator, with that we can full name and last name. Within between we can give the space as well. We can concatenate and output should be John T. So here f name will be the John and last name will be the Tool. I want to merge these two names with the space as well. So that is the way I'm doing that full name, f name plus last name, space here. So the console will print that John Toy like this. The same way, the string format, this time my output should be this kind of format, name and is a different format like that. So for this confusion, don't confuse and just clearly here. This is the way output should come. The input should be name, the age 30, and initial name is 5 tab. So my thing is should be initial name 5 tab and space and name and yes. So for this one, I'm taking that the 14th line as a string, as a name is data type, name is a variable, and integer is a data type, and age is a variable, and assign the value is 30. John age is 30, but that initial name fighter. So that's why the I need to use I have used string dot format. The string having their own extension methods. That extension method is dot format. In that format method, I have passed that initial name and yes. According to that, I can pass that 0, 1, 2. These are the parameters we can initialize in the string sequence like this represent as a string in the UTF code units. So in this means whatever your possible name the dynamically it will gives here and dynamic nature of the format will take the names whatever the parameters inside that argument these three arguments are will be replaced in the 0 1 2 like that format. That is the way string format will work. If you can see this as a go-to definition, the string, these are the already compiled code with extension methods. These are all string formats already exist with this way. String dot format, you will get it the extension method. And the same wise, you can use different methods also there. But right now, our use case is strictly with string dot format. That is the reason I make that as a initial name and yes, this is the output we will print using the console dot write line. Third one is I want to replace that hello with world and C sharp. My output should be the hello and C sharp. In the line number 21, the string is str equal to hello world. But my output should be hello world. Instead of world, I want to replace with C sharp. But at the same time, the string is the data type. The string data type I meant to take in the line number 22 is a new string. New string is another variable. This new string I am using this exist string dot replace. That replace method will do this replacing the old with C sharp. This is the extension method we can use and replace the old with C sharp. The out should be hello C sharp will printed in coming into the console.write line. You can see this line number 21. I'm assigning the str variable with hello world. And the line number 22, I'm existing with that new str. I'm taking the new str as a variable and with the same thing I'm taking using the str word and replacing method will use this. If you can see, right, dot replace extension having the string old value and what are the new value. Here old value is old, so the new value is C sharp. So I want to replace the new value as C sharp here. So I'm going to use that dot replace. What is the replace format thing is old? So here I'm replacing with C sharp. So finally my output should be hello C sharp. This is the thing we will get it in the output of the dot replace method. And coming to the fourth one is string dot length. Here, the name of first name is the railway department. You can see how many characters here. You can see how many characters. So 30 characters are there. Almost. You can see, you can find it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Almost 17 characters for this railway department. The first name. I want to count this, all these characters, whatever the letters is there. So for this one, in the string format, we will have a one kind of function is there. That is string dot length. It is inbuilt already the string extension method dot length will calculate the how many of letters is there in this word. So right now in the count we will get almost output should be 17. So I can execute all those things at a once. You can see the all the examples and easy things way. And also till now I have explained this four and all. I can show that in the output format how it is looks. I'm trying to execute using this F5 button or this basic C sharp sequence. So here you can see the output is built and just side by side and show it. The first one is concatenation. In the concatenation, first name and last name is concatenated and this is the output. And coming to the second one is formatted string. In the formatted string, this is the output. I told you initial name and yes. Here initial name fighter and name and yes 30. Here it would be the output of things. Okay. The third one is output of the replacement of word. You can see that it got replaced as the output as hello and C sharp. This is the output for the replaced one. And coming to the fourth one, string dot length. In the string dot length, you can see the length is 17 digits. If you can see, if you can count is railway department, these are the 17 letters format. That is the why you will get the 17 here. The same way I have explained up to here. I'm coming to that index, start index of the string. If you can take the word as a hello world, in the hello world, I want to make sure find the index of one word, whatever the word is starting letter. Here, I would like to take world. So in the world, I want to take W, it is coming this word where it is got started. So that is the reason the index, if you know this index, always similarly the same like we can take any book. If we have in one example, like in the first page as an index, the same way in the index we have the list of all the lessons. Same way here if we can take as a hello world as a this all the lessons HELLOWORLD like that. So we can take it as a everyone as a one position. Zeroth position is H, and one position is E, second position is L, third position is L, fourth position is 0 and W is the fifth position and O is the sixth position. Like this way it is counted. The space also counted in the position. So in the same way, the 30 line number 35 I want to find the index. So that is the reason I'm taking a str index dot index of is the extension method. Use this extension method. You can see this the zero base index first occurrence a specified string. So it is always returns the what are the value of the return value of the existed position of the value. So the position of the value it is started the value of position. So you can see the world it is started from the sixth position. So if you can try to find this index, what are the word is placed here, that index will be showing here. Sixth will be the showing output. You can see the executed output. This is the sixth here. The same time, I want to make sure another method is important one is substring. If I'm tracking as a Hyderabad is world's largest city, one string is a fine word in the line number 40. The string is a data type. In here, the string data type, I make as another variable is substring. In this substring, I would like to use dot substring as a another extension method. Using this dot substring, retrieving a substring of the existed complete string. This is a fine word is the complete string. From this, I want to take some part of this half of the string or half of the word like that. That is the reason I can count. Already I mentioned the index position here. Here, index position, based on the index position, we would like to get the word here. The same way, the substring also will work like reversely. Here, I'm just giving the position of the index according to this index position. After that, the word will be coming here. The word will be coming here. That's wherever the starting word, right? After 12th position, it will be coming as the output, world's largest city. That's the way substring will works. The same way, another important method is we want to, if we have a, the, I just want to assign the word to str1 is a hello. It is a small case letter, right? You know this case sensitivity. So I want to make it as a capital hello. That's the ring. Even str string having another extension method is dot to upper. So if you want to make it as a upper class, that is the way you can use this dot to upper. Output should be capital letters. If you can see, this is the output of hello, the capital letters. Same thing, another string extension method is dot to lower. If I make it as line number 51 with the str2, I make a one variable and assign a hello. Here is the hello. I want to make it as a dot to lower. So in the dot to lower, I can make it as a smaller. This is the way hello is getting in this format. And the last one is trim function. Trim string function, we can remove the spaces here using the trim function. You can see this line number 56. I have assigned str3. Here, different spaces are there. These spaces will be removed by using the dot trim function. So dot trim will remove all the spaces and giving the perfect word with like hello world. Whatever the word in between, what is the string can do, right? The existed the spaces, unused spaces will remove and give the whole world. The last one is split. It is an important one. Already we had a str4 as the variable assigned here and hello world programming. Here, hello world programming with each one as a comma separated. Each comma separated, I want to make it as a each one as a single separate word. That is the one. And just to take it as a str.split method, it is line number 62. But split method always returns the array. So always returns array. So that is the reason I want to take the output should be also a array. That is the reason I'm using a string array function and taking the words as the local variable here. Using this words local variable, I'm just making as a for each function. Using this for each function, words is the array. Inside this words, every word will be a string format. I just taken as in content for each syntax here using this for each syntax, each word will be rendering as a hello, comma, world, comma, program. The way of it should execute, and that's the way the hello world will be one by one row will coming as a hello the first time, world will be the second time, program will be the third one. So that is the way for each will be executed. The output should be hello world in this line. Okay. The final one is join. If I just in the line number 72, I take it as a one string array. Already in the we learned what is the data types, what are the arrays as well. This string I just make it as initialize as a array. In here, words join is a one variable I'm assigning, and here inside that I added the words as a hello, world, programming as a comma separated, and array is initialized here. Once array is initialized, I want to make this hello world programming with this underscore operator. The way it is joining these three words using the join extension method. We have a string provided join extension method. Using this join extension method, we can concatenate all the elements of a string array using the special separator between the each element. So using that, we can underscore, we can use that join, the output should be hello underscore world underscore programming, because in this extension method the separate operator, whatever the operator we want to use, this is the first accepted argument. Second one is the whatever the parameter you want to utilize in the array format, that is the second format. So in the join is the second format, second parameter, I can pass it here as an argument, and whatever I want to replace or join with that. So hello, comma, old comma programming should coming as a hello underscore old underscore program. That is the way the string has been concatenated the values and all. This is the way of string manipulations will work and all from above to below. So the first one already I told you, string concatenation and string format, and third one is replace, and fourth one is length, fifth one is index, and sixth one is subset, and upper, two lower, trim, and split, and all. So it depends upon this one. We have a different programs are there. These are the most important topic in each and every C sharp interview. Definitely, the questions will be revolving about the most. You can utilize these string functions and make the programming easy. Thanks for watching.